just finished some of the videos, and there's something that I really want you to understand, because that's a little trick that I have over here to teach my children. Anytime they have like one specific word, how it's gonna sound. For example, anytime you have letter A, E, I, O, U, followed by letter M, or N, it's always gonna be a nasal sound. So anytime, it won't change. And that's a little trick that I found, and it makes so much sense when the boys are reading over here, because if you have this is it's a nasal sound. When you just switch, E, just like we say in English. Here, oh, and then you have oo, So it's always gonna be like a nasal sound. On, and also you're gonna see the same thing with the letters, the letter M. So it's gonna be deixa eu trocar aqui, let me change. N, in, on, For example, when you have the word the end, when you're reading a story, you're gonna have the letter F. Let me try to find over here. And letter E and letter M. That's how we say the end in Portuguese. Fim, in. So it's like a nasal sound, okay? So just to recap, anytime you see A-N, E-N, I-N, O-N, U-N, or the M with the vowels, they're always gonna sound nasal, okay? So any word when you see that, and they're also called it's like a vowel digraph, kinda. I don't know exactly how we say it in English, but it's like it's a digraph because it has two letters and one sound, but it has a vowel in it. So it's I don't know exactly what it's called in English, but in Portuguese it is one type of the digraph. So we have the consonant digraphs and we have the vowel digraph. So this would follow into the category of the vowel one. But it's just for you to understand that there is this, anytime you see the word, the combination of A-N, A-N, E-N, O-N, U-N, it's going to be a nasal sound. E, I, O, It's going to be the same thing for M. E, I, O, Okay? We'll see you next time.